UTA 100 in the Blue Mountains last year. It was probably my favourite race to date. 100 Ks, almost 4,000 metres of elevation, and I got it done in about 15 hours and 15 minutes. I had to completely stop running, all plyometrics, no jumping, and just go back to strength training. And so I started doing Pilates due to an injury that put me out of running. For the first time, I had to completely stop running due to, it was a grade 2 stress syndrome in my leg. I sort of sat with my physio and said, what do I need to do to come back stronger, and what do I need to do to come back not necessarily quicker, but be a more efficient and stronger runner. And he said Pilates. I was like, all right, well, it's time to step it up. And I joined Studio Pilates at Hawthorn, and ever since been doing Reformer twice a week, and then the mat Pilates still at work once a week as well. Did a challenge for Movember, and it was a calendar challenge. So day 1, 1 kilometre, day 2, 2 kilometres, all the way through to day 30, which was 30 kilometres. So I think in the end it was like 490 something kilometres for the month. The whole reason I did it was to get people to join me. Whether or not you came out and joined me on day 2 or day 30, I just wanted people to come and join me and have conversations around men's mental health. Pulling on the old heartstrings now. Being a part of like the Movember team, I run for people with mental health issues. But the other side to Movember is around the prostate cancer. And recently my dad's been going through his own journey of finding out that he has prostate cancer. The challenge, or whatever I do for Movember this year or for men's mental health, it relates back to my dad and the other side of it, which is based around, prostate cancer and the awareness around prostate cancer.